get noticed in this 2006 Chevrolet SSR. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. The powertrain includes rear-wheel drive with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, leather seats, power windows, cruise control, and AM/FM stereo, power mirrors, power steering. Call today to schedule a test drive.